Hi guys! So today we're doing a quick get ready with me. I have to get to a red carpet event, but as usual I am running late and I've done nothing. So here we go. Quickly gonna use some of that just to even out the skin, and not using a lot of anything because I just feel like I don't have the time to work on anything at this point. So we're just gonna quickly use a bit. And yeah, this is gonna be a chatty one because if you haven't watched, actually this will go before my vlog. So when you guys see the vlog, you know it's been a real day and a half for me and I've had a lot on my plate today. And I have Gaurav Gupta's store opening, new store opening today. And I have a very cute date as well, who you will see later. But for now, just quickly getting ready and getting on with it. I'm not really putting concealer, foundation, anything because I don't feel I need it. Look at me. Look at that confidence, guys. Just gonna quickly use some compact. This is the KIRO one I use, rock salt ivory, which I've been using for a while. I actually need to get some new compact. I'm gonna be traveling soon, right after you see this, and I thought it would be nice to kind of like get some. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm going to use this. This is the Revolution glitter that I got a while ago. You guys have seen it if I can open it. It's really nice. It's like pretty like glittery and power pack. Can you see that? Like it looks really nice. So it's dried up a bit, like it used to be like a gel type situation, which I feel has evaporated or dried, but it's still very potent, you can see. I'm just feathering it out towards the sides. Gonna do the same on this eye. This is my bad eye, so sorry, I need the mirror. It's really unfortunate that this has dried up like it has, because I really thought this would be like really nice and smooth and easy to apply, but now I'm gonna have to go like all over it with my nails to make up for all the glitter that's just burst on my eyes. So just taking one of my brushes and making sure there's nothing under. I'm gonna use one of my eyeshadow brushes actually to kind of clean up this space and also to feather it out a bit, because it's not gel anymore, it's kind of like a solid, you know, glitter bit. Also going to take a tissue and do a wipe right under the brow on both sides just to get all this extra glitter, you know what I mean? I have glitter everywhere. Disaster has happened. It's crazy how many brushes I'm using, because every time I use a new brush it has glitter and then I feel like I'm putting back into a place that has glitter, you know what I mean? And last but not the least, gonna do another round with my finger just to make sure that it is as less glittery as possible. I think we've done a decent job. It is still quite glittery and the bottom does have glitter, but that is something I'm gonna have to live with at this point because we cannot get rid of it, and I don't think I can do anything, so I'm just gonna shine on. Now that I'm a shiny disco ball, and that's what we're calling this look, okay? It's a shiny disco ball. Very quickly gonna curl my lashes. So what's happening, guys, in your lives? Like today my life is a big mess because I have not managed to shoot what I wanted to shoot other than this video. Also parents are not well, and yeah, just a lot happening in general. Also just putting on some BENETINT onto my lips. You guys know I do this with whatever I use. So look at my BENETINT, it's almost over. It just gives this nice pinkness to your lips even after your lipstick comes off, you know what I mean? So I like it for that reason. Now, okay, quickly going to do a little bit of brow stuff. Nothing mega, just very light filling in because my brows are a bit crazy right now. So just very lightly drawing in a bit like here and there. And before I move any further, I'm gonna just spray some deo because I'm sweating like a pig right now because I can't put on the fan while I shoot. And running out of deo, not a good sign. That is done. Just using my Benefit Clear Gel, and now we're just gonna brush them out. I just use my the goof proof brow pencil before this, and now yeah, just this and feathering slightly, raising like this and then feathering. I do feel like the glitter is very heavy. I'm still gonna try and reduce some of it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I can try before I put my mascara. My only worry with using like a wipe or some remover is that then everything is going to be off and I don't have time to redo like a full eye, you know what I mean? Like at this point. Like right now it looks like something exploded near my eye. This tutorial is particularly for people that think they suck at makeup. You're like me. We suck. It's okay. We are not bad. We will get through this. Okay, using some kajal now, I'm just gonna quickly do a little bit on the inside to distract from all the glitter. Thinking I might do something over the glitter to like, you know, make it a bit more like duller and not so gendak. Yeah, I have this K Beauty palette and I'm thinking maybe like something a little more neutral. So just adding a bit of the brown to the middle and to the crease just to kind of take away from all the shininess. Wow, there's just a lot of freaking glitter everywhere, guys. Oh, Sherry, what have you done? I think I'm gonna take it off. So we have some Q-tips and I have some Bioderma, and I feel like I'm just gonna redo this because it's gonna look like a disaster otherwise, and I feel like I can manage maybe, so let's see. All off except for my kajal. This is why I don't wear foundation, guys, because I'm such a disaster with makeup, but I'm gonna blame the eyeshadow for this. Just waiting for my Bioderma to dry. Quickly gonna touch up the this, and then we're going to go in with something that's lighter, easier to use and not so hectic. Okay, here we go. Using this Miss Claire palette with some eyeshadow brushes that hopefully do not have glitter on them. Yeah, I have some. To just do a little shiny neutral like basic eye, nothing too drastic. Also, I'm being attacked massively right now by light flies, you know, the ones that like light. They're all over and this is really not helping my situation of being late. And yeah, it's what it is. So I'm doing like a dull silvery pinkish like silvery tone because my dress does have like purpley tones to it as well. Then I'm going with a more goldy, like gold under for the highlight. Yeah, this is so much better than the glitter bomb I had done earlier. Oh, okay. Sadly, gonna have to use the same brush to feather it out a bit, and I think it'll be fine because then I can have some bits of glitter around, right? I guess. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna add some kajal to the waterline again because I removed some of it, and gotta be precise with this stuff. Then we're going to curl our lashes. Again, you've seen all this, so you can fast forward. Okay, mascara time. This one is dried up. This is how less I use my makeup. Everything is dry. This one is fine. For blush, I'm going to use something different. I'm going to mix it up. First using this, which is the MILANI stick that I have. Oops, what did I drop? Okay, dropped something. Picking that up, and Here we go. So just a little here, and then we're going to blend it out. Also going to add some orange because we do not want to look like a baboon's bum, which is what currently is happening. So some shine and some orange. This is my favorite blush. You guys have seen this about 200 times. To just make it all neutral. Okay, done. For the lips, I think I'm gonna go with the fixing tint that I like, which is this one, the Analog Rose. It's a really nice poppy color. Like, I really like this one. So we're going with this. Like, this is gonna pop with my outfit because it's like a nice, I don't want to tell you that color, but yeah, it's gonna pop. Now, really quickly for hair, because I have compromised all the time I had to get ready with my makeup, I can't do much. I'm just ironing my hair. We're gonna flat iron it using the same old iron that I always use, this guy. You guys have seen it again in many videos, actually not, but yeah. What I'm gonna do is, I like to just do a, like, since my hair is short, I do a simple one clip hack, like one clip, and then I iron, and then I just keep ironing all the way around and taking like small sections. That gives me the best kind of result. And you will see that, like right now you saw my hair in a mess, and then you suddenly see, ooh la la. So the back is actually really short, so it's quite difficult to do even now. Like, you just have to go over it once or twice, and you can't really do much with it because there's not much to do. And then as I go forward, I just take out some hair. So right now a lot of my short baby hair just comes out like this, again because it's like still pretty short. Like, this iron I've had for years, and it's actually really good. Like, I think I spoke about this in one of my favorites videos also recently. It's really, like, even my thick jhadu hair is like done in one go, you know what I mean? But damage wise, I don't know what the sitch is, but at least straightening wise, it's working. My date is getting ready and it's gonna kill me because I'm really late, but a girl's gotta get ready, right?
What?
I'm done. I just have to, just my hair's being done.
Okay. How long will it be?
5 minutes with my hair. I don't know what the point of taking a shower is when you're going to shoot a get ready with me, because like my whole body is covered in sweat because I don't have an AC in this room and I have a ring light on, and I can't use the fan because otherwise my audio is going to be like crappy. So whew. Another tip I can give you is always go back to front with your hair, because then your iron is hot when you come to the front, which is the main part that needs the, you know, the styling and the flipping and the whatever. So yeah, okay, hair done, makeup done, time to change. See you at the venue. Underneath the stars, and the boys are gonna hang with the fancy cars. Everybody's on stage 'cause we're living life. It's ready, baby, till the final song. Turn up the music, baby. Ooh, snooze. Walking through the party, always looking foxy. There's a lot of shaking going on. Tell me, do you feel it? Show me that you need it. Things are getting saucy, it's so glossy. There's a lot of shaking going on. So guys, this is my final look, and I think I did well to dodge that glitter bomb. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to enjoy the night with my date. See you guys. Bye.